Recently, I visited Foundation, Milwaukee's premier tiki bar, and got this awesome tiki mug. Today, we're gonna fill it up with Don the Beachcomber's rum barrel. All right, 1 ounce of lime juice, another 1 ounce of grapefruit juice, more juice, 1 ounce of orange juice, and then finally for the juices, we're gonna follow that with 1 ounce of freshly squeezed pineapple juice. Yeah, this thing is crazy, guys. It's almost like a zombie to me. 1 ounce of honey syrup. This is a 1-to-1 mixture I make at home, just honey and water. And then 1 ounce of your favorite light rum. I'm using Hamilton White here. Great deal for the money, guys. And then 1 ounce of a Jamaican rum. Now, Smith & Cross is a great option for this, but with the alcohol content, this thing already has so much rum in it, I kind of backed that off. And then 2 ounces of Demerara rum. You guys all know that this is one of my favorites, El Dorado 12. All right, 1 teaspoon of falernum. Into the drink she goes. 1 teaspoon of allspice dram. I told you guys, this is like a zombie. Look at all these ingredients, it's crazy. Half of a bar spoon of absinthe, or if you use an eyedropper, it's about 6 drops into the drink. And then, same thing, half of a bar spoon of grenadine, again, 6 drops. A little bit extra for that one. All right, and then 1 dash of Angostura Bitters. All right, that is all the ingredients. All right, we're gonna mix this up in here. We're gonna add about 8 ounces of crushed ice. So I got this recipe from Beachcomber's Sippin' Safari. Pick it up if you don't have a copy, and if you're ever in Milwaukee, make sure you stop by Foundation. It is a great tiki bar, great drinks, great people. Till next time, Jeff, Tiki Drinks at Home.